Good morning, students. Today we will study about tissue. Multicellular organisms are made up of millions of cells. Cells show division of labor, and each cell perform a particular function efficiently. Such cells are grouped together and is called tissue. Means a tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and origin and perform similar function. Study of cell is called histology, and cell example, that is muscular cell, cardiac cell, and nucleus or mitochondria are the subunit of the cell, and collection of cell from tissue, collection of tissue from organ, and organ to organ system. What is the utility of tissues in multicellular organism? Multicellular organisms have millions of cells. Each group of cell is called tissue, and it performs a special function efficiently. If we take an example, that is muscular cell that contract and relax to bring movement, nerve cell that carry messages, and blood, all are tissues. In plants, if we take the example of plant, that vascular tissue, that is xylem and the phloem, conduct water and food from one part to the another part. So multicellular organisms show division of labor. Division of labor means each cell have a specific function. If we compare between animal cell and plant cell, then since animal cells are mobile, so they require more energy, hence more living tissue are present in animal cell. Animal cell move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, hence they need more energy and their more tissues are living. Cell growth is uniformly distributed. Structural organization of organs and organ systems is more specialized and complex in animal tissue. Whereas if we take the example of plant tissue, then since plants are stationary, so they do not require much energy, hence more living tissues are not required. In plant, most tissue provide structural strength, most of this tissue are dead, so provide mechanical strength as easily as the living ones and need less maintenance as compared to animal tissue. Growth is limited to certain region. Structural organization of organs is comparatively less complex as compared to animal tissues. So due to the difference in structure and function of plant and animals, they are made up of different types of tissue. So this is the assignment for today. And now first we talk about plant tissue. This plant tissue is first divided into two parts, that is meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. That meristematic tissues are capable of cell division, whereas permanent mature cells are incapable of cell division, and it is divided into simple and complex tissue. And simple tissue is divided into parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma and collenchyma together known as chlorochyma. And now complex tissue, they are divided into xylem and the phloem. Xylem is responsible for the water and the phloem for the food. And this xylem is further, that is xylem vessel and trachea, and phloem for the sieve tube and companion cell. So thank you for today.